Welcome back to Zacchus. I'm so glad you joined me for another video. Is this video gonna be good, long, fast? I don't know. Have you heard of working hand and working feet? That's what this video is gonna be all about. Here we go. All right, guys, maybe you've heard of O'Keeffe's. If you haven't, you're probably living under a rock, but you've seen them like this mostly. They come in these little containers and they called working hands and working feet. And they have some other products too now, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. But they have been touted as the best thing for dry, crack, split, whatever, hands and feet. And do they work? Blankety blink blank, they work. I'm telling you, it is freaking amazing. I'm a guy, right? And most men, if you're a man, you don't like lotion. We hate the oiliness of it. We hate the greasiness of it. We don't want to feel corrode like that. We don't mind our hands to be rough. We just don't like lotion. But as I'm getting older, as I'm working, it gets cold, whatever, it's getting rough to a point where I just, I'm like, feeling it, it's bothering me. And so I went looking for some stuff years ago, not recently, and I found working hands and working feet. And the reviews are astronomical. And so I've been using this for years. I don't know why I haven't done a video before this, but I was using it the other night because my hands were getting really rough and I ordered some new stuff. And I was like, I gotta do a video on this. And so they no longer come in this like, so if you used to have to dig in there and like rub it all over your hands, then it works great. And it's kind of cool to just have like a container, pop it on and off. You can travel with it really easy. But now they have new like normal things. They have bigger sizes, they have pump sizes and everything. And they also have a skin repair. So with that being said, I wanted something, because this one is getting where it's like so low that you have to kind of dig in it. It's like scratching my hands. My hands are really getting sore almost from being so cracked and stuff. But just a couple of nights of a little bit of this. It's not oily, it's not greasy. It goes on and you almost don't even feel it anymore. And on my feet too, if your feet are rough or anything, just put a little bit on there every night while you're sleeping or during the day. It's this one's a night treatment. They have some that are just regular. I want the night treatment because I prefer to put it on at night and just go to sleep and not have to deal with it during the day. But I'm telling you, I can't express it enough. Like, this is not an ad. They don't know who I am. I don't exist to them. I'm not getting paid for this. I'm just here. What Zacchus is a channel for me to share with you what I try and give you my honest review. And the Zacchus Nation, the subscribers know this, but if you're new to the channel, maybe you just came in through a search, I just want you to know that yes, sometimes I use affiliate links, but I'm making little tiny amount of money. It's not like I'm making enough money to like pay for this channel or anything. I'm small potatoes. I'm just trying to help you guys like find things that work. A lot of you guys work on cars. You work, with your hands a lot, with construction or with wood or with metal or whatever. Maybe you're just like me and you're at the computer all day and your hands just get dry. I'm just here to tell you this stuff is amazing. It's like miracle stuff. And I'll be honest with you, I'm not crazy about this one. I'm not saying it doesn't work. I don't like putting lotion on my body. This is a body lotion. I think women are going to care more about this. It's obviously not designed for men or anything where it's just, and it's called itchy skin relief. But if you have itchy skin, I can bet you money that this brand is solid. I mean, everything I've tried from them. Now they have lip stuff, which I don't have a lot of problems with my lips. I don't like wearing chapstick or stuff, but a lot of people are out in the sun all day. They're in dry, cold weather. They need stuff. I'm just here to tell you, this company makes products that are freaking amazing. Google it. Look online. You will see people post pictures of hands that were just torn up, and a few days later, it's better. This is not just like lotion. This is healing stuff. This repairs your skin. This really gets in there and fixes things and makes things. I mean, my hands have felt like spider webs, or like Spider-Man for a long time, like to catch on things, like If I pick up a sock, it like hangs there. I mean, come on, guys. It doesn't do that anymore. Like when I rub my hands over my pants or something when I'm in the car, it just like feels like tons of little nails grabbing my clothes. But I'm telling you, this stuff is just amazing. Like I know guys hate stuff like this, but I wanted to tell you, because that's what I do here is things for men on this channel, is there's something out there that works. And you can find it anywhere. I'm going to put links down below to where I purchased it on Amazon, but this sold everywhere. It's been around for a long, long time. My grandfather has used this. I mean, it is an old, loyal, strong brand. And I just wanted to do a quick video to tell you guys about it. I hope it helps you. I hope you'll try it out. Obviously, you can send it back if you don't like it or it doesn't work for you, but it will. I promise you it will. And you don't have to put it on every day. I mean, I'm not going to put it on every day. Guys don't do that. We don't care. One of my girlfriends one time said my elbows were so rough, like I need to put lotion on every day. I'm like, I don't care if they're rough, okay? I don't care. But if you do need a little support during the winter or during, if you work a lot with your hands or whatever, this stuff is amazing. And I love these little bottles. They have bigger bottles that I didn't get because I don't need that much because I don't use it a lot. These are cool too, but I just this is easier to pop out and just kind of squeeze a little bit on me. I've traveled with this though when I've been doing like work or missionary work or anything like that, where I've needed a little extra support. So I just wanted to tell you guys about it. And it's called O'Keefe's, and this is working hands. And this one's a night treatment, but they have regular. This is designed to work while you're asleep and stuff. They're so confident that it's guaranteed relief, but whatever. Hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. Become part of the Zacchaeus Nation and hit that little bell too. You'll get notified first when I put up cool videos like this. And I got tons of new videos coming up. I got the Happy Nuts video. I got soap. I've got things for your down family jewels. I've got all kinds of robot vacuum stuff coming, electric toothbrushes. I've got pajamas coming for men that are so soft. Oh my goodness, you can wear them naked too. I'm just saying. And even my favorite water is on the channel. This is what this channel is about. I'm just telling you guys what I love, giving you my honest review, giving you a close-up look, and letting you know so you can make your own decision with your hard-earned money. That's what it's all about here in America and around the world it should be. I hope that you have an amazing and beautiful day. I love seeing your beautiful faces. Thank you to all my subscribers, and I will catch you in the next Zacchaeus video. Peace.